Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you USDT coin to two different wallet address. First wallet address is a faucetpay, the next wallet address is a coinbase. You can choose any wallet address you have or you want to withdraw. Okay, I choose faucetpay because I have faucetpay, and I have coinbase too, but this website pay you in instantly in your faucet pay or your coinbase wallet orders. And right now just I waiting for this all shopping issue. Okay, just I reload the page. Okay, now you can see the all shoppings available in here for me. Just I click the first shoppings available in here that I want to watch, so I make my like little bit sense from this shopping. Okay, just I solve the capture and just click continue. Okay, you know the shopping is little bit hard to solve, but pay you much more amount about that I solving shopping. And if you have much more faster internet connection, you can easily make much more amount from this all short things. And just click continue and just click download link here, and you can see another page opened. Just wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds in here, just click get the link. Okay, I just waiting, and now you can see the timer is finished. I click get the link, and you can see this much USD dollar just add to my balance. And after that I watch another, and just in here have this much advertisement you can watch, and you can easily make withdrawal from this website. And it's too easy, it's not too hard. Just I watch another short links too, and now you can see I watch another short links and pay me my Satoshi. Okay, and you can watch all the short links available in here. You can easily make USD dollar from here, and this website link available in description. I will share with you the withdrawal proof of this website after 1 week. And thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.